welcome back to Vocab with Aileen, where words come to life with giggles, colors, and a sprinkle of silliness. Today's word of the day is Temerity. Let's pronounce it together. Temerity. Temerity. Nice. Now we sounded like vocabulary superheroes already. Temerity means doing something really bold, brave, or even a little too brave. Like when you try to steal the last candy from the candy jar right in front of your mom. That's temerity.
Amazing.
Or when you tell your teacher, I think I deserve extra recess today. Yep, that's temerity too.
Wow.
So basically, temerity is when you do something daring, maybe a bit risky, without thinking too much first. Now let's see how we can use it in a sentence. They showed temerity when he tried to eat 10 scoops of ice cream in one go. Or it takes temerity to tell your dad his dancing skill is unique. So basically, you can use temerity when you want to describe someone being fearless, bold, or a little cheeky.
Fantabulous.
Use it when you or your friends do something daring, like asking for dessert before dinner. If you like learning today's daring word, hit that like button, share it with your brave buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more wordy wonders with me, Aileen. Bye!